हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। मैं हूं इनकी भाई। अब भाई कह सकते हैं मेरे को, इसलिए आप इनकी भाई। चलिए बाय, थैंक यू।
अंशु अगर यूट्यूब पे आया तो
मैं यूट्यूब में आया तो लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, शेयर करना, कमेंट भी करना।
थैंक यू।
मजे वाले कमेंट करना।
थैंक यू।
बाय।
So hi everyone, my name is Aarti and today I know I missed a video yesterday. I didn't made any video on 13th of August, so today is 14th of August and I'm making this video just to tell why I didn't make a video yesterday, because yesterday I was just busy in doing editing and all that stuff on that previous video. That was a vlog which I uploaded yesterday only, and that was around 8 o'clock. So I couldn't do it because I was all busy in seeing that how it came out and all that stuff. So I didn't got any time to shoot a video, so I thought I'll shoot today. And today also in the morning I thought that I'll shoot it in the morning, but I couldn't shoot it as I was busy in doing all the preparations for tomorrow. Like tomorrow is Independence Day, and I am an NCC cadet, so I had to do some preparations to attend the Independence Day program tomorrow. So basically, I belong to Naval NCC, so we have some water activities as well as the Guard of Honor, so we have to be indulged in both the activities, so it's a little bit difficult to manage. So I just had to make all the preparations for my dress and other stuff. So it's a really great opportunity to wear a NCC dress, and that uniform says it all. So I was quite excited to prepare it and wear it. So I was finding it, cleaning it, and then ironing and all this stuff. I still had to do so many preparations that I want it to look perfect, but I know I'll not be able to do it as I am just new to this journey. So I really have so much work to do still now. And yesterday I couldn't make a this self improvement video, and today I don't know why I'm making it, but I really wanted to do it as I have challenged myself to make a video daily and upload it on YouTube. So yeah, just to do that challenge and just to make sure that I don't miss it and I'll continue it. So today also one more thing I wanted to tell you is that at the evening time around 5 o'clock, I think I was watching Rohit Sharma's interview kind of thing in television. So he said one thing like when the person taking his interview was asked him that what are the tips or what are some things you want to tell more youngsters around you and pursuing the same things about and playing cricket, and who also wants to be just like you or play for their nation. And so he just said one thing, like he said that I'm not the one who can give them the right guidance or some tips to do that or do this. And he said that I won't tell anything to do, like I won't say that you do this and follow these steps and you will be successful. So he only said that you just be yourself, you just have to be true to yourself and you will be succeeded as true yourself, the thing you want to do in your life, and that's your own dream, so you have to only pursue it and you will definitely succeed. So I really remembered his words, and I kind of liked his words so much. Like he is always a genuine speaker also, I can say. And I think these words are really remarkable for me as well, and I wanted to share it with you all that do whatever you want to do, whatever you love, and whatever is right for you, whatever you think that it can be good for you, or whatever you feel that this is the thing I want to do in life. And do not copy others, you can take inspiration from others, you can inspire from them, and you can learn from them, you can get guidance, you can get knowledge from all around everywhere. But don't copy someone, like you have to be true to yourself, don't be fake. Like similarly, I also said in my one of my previous self improvement series videos that I don't want to fake myself, like uh, talking like some other vloggers or talking like some other speakers, but I only wanted to be true to myself and learn a good English, learn to speak it well, and learn to communicate well. So these are the things I started this self improvement series. I didn't want it to be like others, and I didn't wanted to copy anyone like in fluency or in something rhythmic way or something like that. I just wanted to improve my English in my own way and present it and able to present it more beautifully, and to improve my skill, to polish my skills. And I know I may not be that good in speaking in English, but I can improve, everyone can improve and everyone can do better than today. So why not uh, putting so much efforts on yourself to improve it, and why not doing what you really want to do. Like one thing I want to tell you, that we are the mostly we all are youngsters only, and we all think that yeah, in future we want this, we want that, we want to become like that, and we want that bike, we want that car, or we want some name and fames, and we want to be famous around. So everyone wants that, but nobody wants to do hard work. Okay, only 50, not 100% people always have dreams. Okay, everyone have dreams in their lives, but no one tries, not no one I would say, but only few one tries to make them succeed or make them true. By this I meant that there are only few people who want, who are doing hard work, who are doing daily exercises in the means in their particular field, in the particular field, or in to make their dream achieve and to really reach their goals. Only few are the ones who are trying hard to get that, and I know that they will get it only when they try. So only few ones are there, and I think we all have to do this. And also one more thing, that is that we can't blame our destiny for everything. Like for few things we can blame our destiny, but not for everything, because even with hard work we can change our destiny, and that's a true fact. Nobody can change it. There can be many destined people, but no, there can be many hardworking people, but destined people are only few. And there not always destined people are more successful. The hardworking people are more successful than the destined one, and that is for sure. So like hard work is in your hand, destiny is obviously not in your hand, but hard work is in your hand. So that one thing you can do for sure. And another thing I would say, that we should do hard work. Like we are always better than today and better than every this second. So I just want to assure you that you are better than your yesterday, and you always learn new things in your lives. Like there were never the same day you had before. You never had 14th of August 7 p.m. before. You never had 14th of August 8 p.m. before. I meant that 14th of August 2021 before. So every day is a new day, every minute is a new minute, and every minute, every second you are learning a new thing. So you are becoming better. So try to learn more things, try to get to know more things. Just don't get busy in all these chaos and all these social media, that all these social media trends and all. Don't get so much indulged in it that you forget your own thing, your own value, or your own dreams. Don't forget them. Then you have to pursue them, and you also have to live in this world like how it is working. You have to survive in it. You have to face all the things which are around you, but don't get demotivated, or don't get so much influence, or so much like so much influence, or so much like into these things. Okay, just try to learn what you are, try to make your own your own image, or try to make your own what I would say that पहचान खुद की एक पहचान बनाना सीखें, and be yourself, be true to yourself, and that is the only thing which will lead to you to your happiness and also to your success. So yeah, that was it for today. I know it's too much lecture for today, and if you people are listening to me, and even if you are getting a little bit of something, and if I could do something, or I could help you in a little bit manner, or something I could add to your life, so make sure you just hit the like button, and also you can comment anything. I would really love to read them, and if you have any suggestions for me, or if you want to say anything to me, just write in the comment box, and I will be more than happy to read them and to reply them. So that was it for the video, and from my side, anything I do, anything I learn, I would really try to share it with you all guys. And because of this platform, this I think this is a really a boon for us, only for those who are using it for the right purpose. Okay, so I think it's a boon for us, and we should use this platform. And I think I used this in a very right way. The first day when I started this self improvement series, I didn't knew that I would really continue it. So it was like just a random thought came into my mind, and I just kept my phone in front of me and just started talking. And I was like, yeah, I will talk daily, and I'll improve my everything and that all that stuff, and I will improve my communication skills, I'll improve everything, and I'll be a great speaker and all. The first day I was thinking this, but I never knew that I will continue this or something like that, but I really tried. So yeah, still I am trying. I'm not perfect. I know that nobody is perfect, but still, that near perfection everybody wants in their life, but you have to start today and work today only. And so that was it for the video. Okay, just start doing whatever you want. Be true to yourself. Never try to copy others. Just be true to yourself. Learn from others, get inspired from others, but be true to yourself. Just don't forget yourself, your presence, and always trust yourself, trust your actions, and believe in them, and you will be wonderful. So that was it for the video. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.
बाय सबको, कमेंट कर देना.
Okay, bye.